Do you see how it did? Now, Gates talked about how it did in AP Bio.
Gates talked, though, about those two outcomes as well. Education, healthcare, how important it can be. I mean, the first part of Gates's
it's a good essay.
Blog or essay, the development of AIs is fundamental as the creation of the microprocessor.
Yeah, he goes with
the
Intel.
Computer, the internet, and the mobile phone. It will change the way people work, learn, travel, get healthcare, and communicate with each other. Entire industries will reorient around it. Businesses will distinguish themselves by how well they use it.
Right. So you have a bunch of different companies that are allied. A lot of what he was talking about yesterday, Jensen, was about how there are different companies that really are into this. Microsoft's really into it, and they're going to be a great partner. Oracle's a great partner. He didn't emphasize so much in my interview about the partnerships. He talked much more about the idea of wonderment, that there was this moment. I mean, he showed me exactly this stuff almost a year ago, and nobody was interested.
I know, but you talked about it. It was hard to understand exactly what it was or how it would
it's
work.
Because I was not.
But he's now talking about factories that will be completely
it's
automated, run essentially.
Well, I mean,
by AI.
I asked him, do you need us? He said, yes, we're still important.
Yep. But
there are a lot of jobs that are done better right now. But it is getting smarter and smarter and smarter. Now, I am sure he actually talked about how there's OpenAI's got a lot of guidelines and rules to be able to guard against some of the things that you were talking about, because I asked him about that.
Well, I mean, Bill Gates also, I always like, sort of towards the end.
Yeah, that was good.
There's the possibility that AIs will run out of control, wrote Mr. Gates. Could a machine decide that humans are a threat, conclude that its interests are different from ours, or simply stop caring about us? Possibly.